My weld tube flip adapter that I got for my hood. So the reason why I decided to go this route is because I've been doing a lot of back grinding lately on the back of a bevel. So I wanted something that I would just be able to convert my hood over to without having to buy a new one. So right here, this is a standard fiber metal, just pipeliner hood. So what's really nice about this actual device is you actually get a piece of sandpaper comes with it. So what you're gonna go ahead and do is you're gonna sand down the face of the hood right here. That way you can go ahead and make the easy adaptation of what you need. So real quick, on the inside of these adapters are these little clips. So it's very easy and straightforward. So all you're gonna do is stick the hood directly on the front as so, just like that. And then you're gonna go ahead and push the clips over. Nice and easy, nothing too crazy. So now you have a fully converted flip adapter on your welding hood. And the really nice thing about this is it also comes with a pushing bar on the inside. So when you put your welding lens in, as well as your clear lenses, you have a place to actually set that in right here, and it actually sticks it directly on there as well. So really easy to install. Like I said, this way you're not out of pocket for another hood. You can just go ahead and buy this flip adapter.